The executive workshop is designed in such a way that for any job seeker that is coming in, they will be able to gain the employability skills and gain the confidence to be able to brand themselves when they meet their prospective employer. Over the years, the resume that is expected by the hiring manager or even the recruiter has actually changed. They would actually prefer if you make it very straightforward, little tweak that if you have it, then you are ahead of the rest.
A lot of companies are struggling to pay the employees. They are not able to get sales and many other obstacles and adversity that was happening around this period. Eventually, I found an executive workshop that was conducted by E2I. Yeah, it was actually quite a good workshop because I was given a set of skills to better market myself during the job search. Well, I thought the market was bad because I've been sending resume and not receiving any calls. But it turned out to be my resume was not done very well. So I had to revamp the whole resume, and yeah, after a day or two of sending out resume, I received calls actually from recruiters and direct hiring employers. Yeah, I was quite pleasantly surprised about that. Prior to this workshop, whenever I was walking into the interview room, my confidence level was not as high because I see them as people that has more experience than me, but that was not necessarily true. So once you have the confidence, you are able to convince people why they should hire you.